they've missed the M1, 2 and 3 modified 50cc class, and some of the riders there having their passengers. In fact, all the 5 of the top teams there, front teams, they've got their passengers off there push starting. Normally in the big Formula 1 sidecars, of which I'm 3 times New Zealand champion, all the engines are rated really well because there's so much power. Because we're talking 10 times a power, that's 110ccs. We just had to keep that rubber to the road and top it spinning up, but these require a little bit of assistance. They're starting under live motors, but certainly when you look at that 3 wide coming out of that slip road there, so already the top 3-4 bikes got a bit of a breakaway. Real tight racing there. Can't quite see who the numbers are there. I can see a number maybe 65 there, maybe not. But louder these bikes as well. Maybe it's muffle position, but I certainly can hear some feedback in my earpiece. We're looking on the C-Test live footage there. Great to have Grant Collingwood down here again. Year after year he comes down from the Hamilton region, the Waikato region, to put on the recording gear, and of course this was all available in a day or two. C-Test live. If you've got someone, if you're listening out there in the crowd now, if you've got someone who wants to watch this, you think wants to watch it, send them a link to C-Test live, or just tell them to get on the internet and Google it, and in a day or so this will be put on the C-Test live channel on YouTube, so you can have a good listen to that. So 104 and 105 and 106 and 109 for the first 4 teams. Cameron Mayo and Jasmine King in the lead, but it was a 0.6 of a second gap, but I'll tell you what, that gap's just about disappeared. There's only half a wheel length between first and second place as they go through that labelled as turn 3 in Manfield, so that's 5 and 6 there. Changing position. Oh, what a nice move on the inside. I didn't think there was enough room. I've seen a lot of sidecar racing in the time, but I didn't really think there was enough room, but they managed to squeeze through there and take the lead. So there's probably less than a metre between first and second as they go around the Toyota corner there, coming onto the front straight. This is a 3-lap race. And that third bike, 44, Jordan Walters and Luke Gray, is not out of touch in this situation. We go back to number 1. Well, I think it might be listed as number 4, Josh Wallen and Cody Osborne there in the 4th spot there. A little bit way back down the line there, so a change of position. Yep, Tim Swainson and George Vanell there. A 1 minute 8.75 seconds, 1 minute flat 8.75, a 102.655 and a 101.682. So this third machine has got a little bit more in the time aspects. In fact, they're 1 second quicker, and there's a 1.6 second deficit, so we might see them come into play, and a bit of a dicing going on for second and third. We might not. In fact, that gap looks like it was opening up with the second place bike, number 5, Cameron Mayo and Jasmine King there closing in on the bike in the lead. Of course, now we're going to come across some slower back markers there further down the line. We've got 12 entrants there. We've got some slower back markers, so maybe that they come across them. Definitely some of these bikes are going to come across them as they go off the front straight and into that slip road. The first bike's got through, the second bike's got part way through and round the outside, and that's going to bulk up the third bike. They're going to go, in fact, what's happened there? I'm confused here. Oh, that was a checkered flag. That was a checkered flag. They all went ahead and going in different directions, but that was what was going on there, the checkered flag. So maybe that could be changed because they were still lappers there. The lappers might not have known where to go. Anyway, it is what it is. The red flag was out, so we had a win for Tim Swaits and George Vanell. And Cameron Mayo, Jasmine Keaton followed in second place, Jordan Walters, Luke Ray third, Josh Wallen and Cody Osborne in 4th, Fielding High School right down to 6th place, Campbell Hill, Logan Nicholson, Ryan Stone, Liam McGill in 6th place there, Divine, D-E-V-Y-N Crawford and Josiah Ross there on the 554 machine there in 7th spot there. 8th was Ben Cripps and Aspen Kennedy Goodwin, Josh Devane, Lockie Crafer, followed by Brecon Cameron, James Burton, and the two who got 2 laps in, Seth Arthur Watson, Bailey Smith, Lachlan McNewer and Ronan De Jager. So sidecars all done and dusted, brought to you by the Manawatu District Council and C-Test Audio and Video Streaming. Get back to a bit of music, folks.